Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about derived data types. So the data types that we have learned in our previous video lecture, they all are called fundamental data types. Okay, so or your int, char, float, double. So all of these are called fundamental data types. So yeah, int, char, float, double and void are called fundamental data types. We have a more complex, or you can say data types which are derived from fundamental. So all of these data types that are derived from fundamental are called derived data types. And in C, we have a data type called Boolean. We have enum or enumerated, and then we have struct or structure. So this is a short of Boo. Enumerated, short is enum. Structure, short is struct. Now these derived data types are a little bit complex, and Boolean is not much more complex, but we are going to discuss about these data types later in our videos. At this point, I'm not going to discuss about them because I don't feel like it is necessary to discuss about them at this point of time. But just for the sake of information and just for the sake of knowledge, I have just given you a brief overview about derived data types. Don't worry, we are going to discuss about these data types in later videos. Thank you.